Guys, did you hit the door? Yeah? Was Dad expecting anyone when he was gone? He didn't tell me. You? Battle stations, guys! Let me get the blind. On it. Gotta hide. Good thing I'm so small. Ow. I got the lights. Okay. Now we just wait. What the heck are you morons doing? You get down, you idiot. Someone's at the door, dude. Oh, crap. Gotta check the home hub. If there's a burglar, everyone get up and, well, if a burglar breaks in, everyone get into your battle stations. Let me just see if there is a burglar. Frick. Jeez. What happened? Apparently the girls came early. Oh yeah, I forgot they were coming today. We should probably let Dad know that they're here. You got that right, Iggy. Moral of the story. And just drop something. Moral of the story: make sure you get a Nest doorbell and a Google Nest home hub, so you know that if there's someone at the door, so you don't have to check the door.